In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix historical data gaps in MetaTrader 5. If you've ever opened a chart and noticed missing candles or blank spaces, don't worry. This guide will walk you through a clean, reliable way to restore your history so your analysis stays accurate. First, open MetaTrader 5 and launch your platform as you normally would. Then open the specific chart that's showing gaps. It helps to focus on one symbol and one time frame at a time so you can clearly see whether each fix works. Start with a simple refresh. Right-click anywhere on the chart and choose Refresh. This prompts MT5 to request recent data again, and minor gaps often resolve immediately. If the gaps persist, download the missing historical data directly. Press F2 to open the History Center. In the list, select the trading symbol you're working on, choose the exact time frame you need, like M1 for minute data or H1 for hourly, and click Download. Give it a moment. The platform is pulling data from the server, and you'll usually see more candles appear once it completes. Back on the chart, try scrolling further into the past. Hold the left mouse button and drag the chart backward. As you pull into earlier dates, MT5 may automatically load older data in the background. Be patient for a few seconds after each drag so the platform can fetch what it needs. If nothing seems to load, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop MT5 from downloading data reliably. Once your connection is stable, try the refresh and download steps again. Next, confirm you're properly connected to your broker's server. Go to File, then log in to Trade Account and sign in with your account details from your broker. Make sure you're connecting to the correct server, then return to your chart and test again. If you still see gaps, increase how much data MT5 is allowed to display and store. Go to Tools, Options, then Charts. Raise both max bars in chart and max bars in history to higher values. Bigger numbers let MT5 load deeper history. Keep in mind that extremely high values can use more memory, so increase gradually and click OK. Now restart MetaTrader 5. Close the platform, reopen it, and check your chart to see if the missing data has filled in. If gaps still appear after all of that, reinstall MetaTrader 5 and then download the chart data, again using the same History Center steps. A clean install often clears persistent issues. That's it. Follow these steps carefully, and your charts should be complete and ready for analysis.